Oh, hi, how are you? Now, I realise that perhaps some of you are coming to POV in Belfast, the power of video, so let me just get changed, huh? Okay, Google, stop. So, look at my hair. So, some of you may be coming to POV in Belfast, which is great, and I, for one, cannot wait to see you all. I'm going. I've got my tickets booked, but I realise that perhaps some of you guys have not been here before, like some of the guys who already have, and who may have picked up some of the lingo. You may not know some of the words that we use, so I'm going to go through just a quick few, just to get you on track, okay? So if you're coming to POV in Belfast, it's happening not this weekend, the next weekend. You may want to stay tuned if you're not from around these parts. If you are from around these parts, I don't know, go and watch some Cody or Sean or Peter McKinnon or somebody else. So the first word that, hang on, I should probably tell you about is the word crack. Obviously everybody knows here about the crack. We have the crack, we go out for the crack. The crack is the crack. It's not the drug that perhaps you may think it is. It's not the crack of your behind. It's about a time, a moment, having the crack, having the fun. Basically crack is the fun. It's more than fun though. It's a Northern Irish thing. It's just one of those nights where you know you're going to wake up the next morning, you're going to be laughing about it for days. That's what having the crack is. So if you're coming here, make sure you enjoy the crack. So the other word or phrase that you may hear in Northern Ireland is would you like a wee poke? Now if somebody comes up to you and says that, you're probably going to take a little step back. I won't deny it. But don't feel threatened, don't worry. If somebody comes up to you and says, would you like a wee poke? They're actually talking about ice cream, particularly I think on a cone. So yeah, if somebody asks you for a poke, would you like a poke? Are you going for a poke? They're just ice cream, okay? Don't think it's anything rude. How to get coffee? If you may be coming up and saying hello to somebody here in Belfast or anywhere in Northern Ireland, you may get the little phrase that goes "bout ye" or "bout ye." Basically, "bout ye" is how about you, just shortened, abbreviated, squashed down, and made into our thing. So, just in case you are saying hi to somebody and they just go "bout ye," you'll know what you're on about. Again, my accent isn't that bad. I've lived in Northern Ireland pretty much all my life, apart from a couple of years away in Plymouth and stuff like that in England. But yeah, I don't have this big Belfast accent, so I'm having to put it on a wee bit. So "bout ye" is what you'd get in Belfast. And again, I'm sorry to anybody in Belfast who I've just offended. Just at the local park here, and I'm about to go for a wee dander, which again is something you probably only hear here. It's a wee dander is going for a walk. So I've got my local park here, so let's do that. It's my local park. So another phrase you might get is "alright mucker." If somebody says to "alright mucker," again, that's just their way of saying hello or hi Ann, how's things. So "alright mucker." Now, if somebody comes up to you and says, "that's pure wick," pure wick means bad. If something's pure wick, it's just not good. It says, yeah. So, pure wick, not good. You may also get the saying, "I'll have a wee hook for that." That's if somebody can't find something that they're going to take a look for it. Have a wee hook for that. All right. So I'll have a wee hook for that. That's just I'll look for it. And you're there. Hang on, I'll flip you over. And finally, one of the other things that you're probably going to hear a lot, and this isn't really a saying, it's just something that people here in Northern Ireland tend to put at the end of just about every sentence. Well, some people. And that phrase, or that few words is, so it is. All right? 3 words. So it is. You could hear this just about anywhere. You could be in a bar and somebody could say, there's no call for these 3 words, by the way. You don't need them. They're just put on at the end. So somebody could say that weather outside's wild fierce. So it is. You don't need the so it is. You could stop at fierce. It's fine. The price of the drink in here, wild expensive. So it is. Again, so it is not needed. But for some reason, it gets tagged on to just about everything here in Northern Ireland. So do be aware of that if somebody says to you something. And it could be anything, it could be anywhere. They could be talking about weather, cars. Oh, that's a nice car. So it is. You could get that. Most important thing to remember when you're here in Northern Ireland is to have an absolutely fantastic time. Have a blast, guys. I really hope that you enjoy it. And I know that in the past, many people have made friends from being at POV in Belfast, including the likes of Peter McKinnon, Sean Dorse, Casey Neistat and Sean already knew each other, but they've done a brilliant thing in the hotel, in the sauna together, which is a fantastic vlog. If you've never seen it, go and watch their Galgore Manor vlog. It's brilliant. And apart from that, have a fantastic time when you're here. I've got to go and edit this now on my nice computer. So it is.